TallyUP is building a massive, global, free tournament. You compete with others in very simple and short games to win big prizes, cash and crypto. It is mainly play-to-earn game where I try to defeat the opponent to get the mystery box. Like this or this. When I play and win, of course, my player rank will increase and giving me access to more games. I can participate to daily challenges. I can join tournaments, even crypto tournaments. I can play for fun or I can play for real. So let's challenge someone to see what kind of games TallyUP offer. I am waiting for opponent. And here we go. We never know what game we will play. And here we have Crystal Caverns. All games are basically the same. Whoever reaches 10 coins first, win. In this game I must choose which coin to mine, and my opponent try to steal my coins. When I get 10 coins, I win. If we look at another game, Magnet Madness, I just need to use the power of the magnet in a smart way. Again, to get 10 coins first. As you know, this video is just for educational purposes only. Oh, and almost forgot. Welcome on Wasabi Free Crypto channel. Let's speed up to the end of this game because we know the bottom line. I won and I got 8 cents of Tally token. This is actually $1 because when I get 10 I can withdraw to PayPal account. Thanks for your watching and goodbye.